All right, Eddie, here's your big block Chevrolet. Trying to give you a description of this combination. It's got a set of our As Cast cylinder heads on it. It's got the Weiand manifold, Holley throttle body, obviously fuel management by Holley. It's got a custom grind hydraulic roller. Put the march kit on here, make sure the alternator's charging for you. Nice piece. We'll go now, we'll go see how she runs. Stay tuned. Alrighty, looks like it peaks torque 538 foot-pounds of torque. Peaks horsepower 551. We're at 550. It's got a front end on it, so that's about 15 or so. So everything's good. What we'll do now is pull the pipes back, make sure the exhaust is good and clean for you. And got one other thing I want to show you. Alrighty, when you receive your engine, you'll have this little thing. It looks like a credit card, business card. It's a USB card full of information. It has your engine specs, build, pictures, wiring stuff, a lot of tech stuff in it. So highly recommend first thing you do is plug that in and watch it. If you got any questions, just holler at us. The other thing, there will be a tag on the engine. This here have your engine number, valve lash, oil capacity, whether it's internal, external balance, firing order, timing specs if needed. So make sure to hold on to that tag too. So.